when it comes to giving light, more ions, more flare, ionic bonds between metal and non-metal. Dissociated means more conductivity in the solution with the bulb brighten. Speaking of that stuff, why not talk about acids and pH and H+ and conjugate bases? Strong acids donate hydrogen, like HCl, nitric, and sulfuric acid, but the conjugates, they don't take back good, except for strong conjugate bases, dude. Hydroxide eats H+ like junk food, but enough with the strong, let's get to the weak, which can form equilibrium, a forward reaction with equal reverse action, like a population's marriage and divorce. At the end, the ratio is the same fraction. Blast to the past, let's talk about mass, measuring pounds and tons in US class, but correctly, it should be grams, as described by SI, the worldwide program. Mass is not volume, the space of matter, nor density, a ratio of the former to the latter, but rather the fundamental batter of the platter. Now let's apply this theory to make our brains fatter. A certain amount of grams makes a mole. Depending on the element, this whole could be 12 grams in carbon or 1 gram in hydrogen. Just check the periodic table below the abbreviated label. The table. A useful thing, use it to find the electrons in the outer ring, which is the atomic nucleus's outer bling and the least of the mass of the entire thing. Turn the clock forward to the weeks before the present. You'll see what we study has been electrochemistry, and specifically about electron current, generated when an element oxidizes and says it's goodbyes to electrons, which flow to reduce the wolf. The flow stops when the agents run out. But electrolysis turns this reaction about. What's reduced is oxidized and vice versa, no doubt. Speaking of flow, mine is running out. Miss Perkins, I know I did this the night before, but would you please consider giving me a good score?